Hey, what's up, guys? It's Uxo, and this is the final part 3 of the audio tool interface. So when I left off, I was explaining these tools up here. You have the pointer tool, the selection tool, the Q tool, and the hand tool. The pointer tool is just all around everything you need to use, for most normal jobs. Selection tool is a tool to select multiple different plugins and be able to move them around as one. The Q tool is for, say, if you had a lot of synths in a song and you only want to hear that one synth, you use the Q tool and you click on the Q tool, put your pointer right over a plugin's wire, and you'd only be able to hear that one synth. Not any other plugin, just only a synth. You only be able to hear that one synth or drums or sample. Now, finally, a hand tool is just a tool to move around the track. You can do this with the pointer too, but if you try to move it on a plugin, then you'd be moving the plugin. The lock devices locks the devices. You can't add any more wires to anything. And the auto connect controls whether or not when you drag out a synth or a plugin, it automatically connects to something. So when I drag out a plugin, right now I have it highlighted, so it's not going to automatically connect to anything. But if I highlight it, if I click on it, drag out a plugin, that plugin is automatically going to connect to the mixer or whatever's nearest to it. In the file up here, right here, you can control the zoom, obviously. Right here, you have the files, tracks, view, tutorials. Tutorials is exactly that, tutorials. View controls what you want to see. You can click on that and not see the panel. Click on that, not see the status bar. Let's actually not see that. Timeline, desktop tools, whatever. The tracks shows pretty much everything down here. It's another way. It's pretty much the same button as this. These two are same buttons. Same thing. File. Here you can open a new track. Open a new song. Save your draft. Save it as a template, which means that it will be saved as one of these, only that you can't open it up in this page. You'd have to open it up from your profile page. You can edit the properties of your song, import a sample from file, audio device, microphone, whatever, your file from your computer, and settings. A good idea is when you go to settings to enable the caching of static data such as plugins. In other words, download everything you put in the app to your computer, so that if you currently don't have internet, you might have a chance of saving some stuff. Always check that. This increases the quality of the sounds, but it also gives you a lot of lag. And that's pretty much it. Hope you enjoyed this video. I'm out.